Welcome to English Bridge Channel. Learn English with ease and confidence. Join us now and build bridges to linguistic communication.
Hey there, how are you?
Hey, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Doing all right, thanks for asking. I'm Alex, by the way. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Maria. Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles. What about you, Maria?
I'm from Sao Paulo, Brazil, but I've been living here in Miami for a few years now.
That's cool. What brought you to Miami?
I moved here for work. How about you? What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer, just trying to make it in the big city, you know?
Nice! Sounds like an interesting gig. Well, if you ever need recommendations for things to do in Miami, I've got you covered.
Thanks, Maria. I'll keep that in mind. It was great meeting you.
Likewise, Alex. Let's catch up soon.